This is my ASMR, and click on this video if you're over 40 years old. First of all, bro, just kill your ears because, bro, I created it to be loud. And second of all, if you have any health conditions, then click on this video too. So, here it goes. This is done. This is ASMR by Dample.